Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm the crazy cat lady here, coming right back at you. How you doing? Today is Saturday morning. Now, if you haven't heard, we here in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts are going to get hit with a hurricane. And this is going to be just a bad hurricane. We haven't had one of these in 30 years. I was 22 years old. I'm 52 now.
Lots of countries.
So I have to go with my husband, which we should have gone yesterday, to stock up on water and some canned food that we could eat, and some perishable items that we can eat if the power does go out, which is pretty probable. So, and I don't even know, they're even saying that we might have to evacuate. So, this is what's going to happen. If the power does go out, most likely I'm not going to be able to upload until the power comes back on. Could be 10 days, they said. So, just to let you all know, I haven't gone anywhere, but the power did go out. And if I could find a way of, I'm going to power up my computer really, to the max, before this hits, which is going to hit tomorrow afternoon. So, I'm going to try my best to get everything settled, and it's going to be scary. So, yeah, that's what's going on. This is going to be a daily vlog. And I found out last night, I should have started, doing a vlog last night. But I just went straight to bed because I thought I had to get up really early to bring my husband to work. So, that's what's happening here where I live, and it's scary because Connecticut doesn't get hurricanes and high winds very often. So it's been about 30 years. And then 36 years when I was 16 when we had Hurricane Gloria, which was really bad. So, yep, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Is I'm going to be powering up all my batteries, because I want to vlog during the hurricane too, to show you, so when I could upload, I could, my camera just stopped, sorry about that. So, when, because I'm going to power this up before it starts, so I can give you some content, if the power does go out. So just to let you all know, I didn't go anywhere. If it's 10 days or the power goes out and it's like 8 days, it's because I don't have a way of uploading. So, just to let you know, I just wanted to, come on here, and you're going to come with me today, and we're going to try to stock up on items that we need. So, yeah, it's scary because they even said we might have to evacuate, which is really scary because I have an elderly mom, I have a puppy now, I have 2 cats. Ugh, it's scary. So we'll see. So cross our fingers that it don't get that bad. Right now, I'm just having my coffee, listening to the news, see what's going on, keep update on everything. So, then I got this little girl. I don't know what she's up to. She's digging. Hey, you can't dig in the... She's trying to dig in the couch. Hey, no digging in the couch, Missy. Hey, you can't dig in the couch. I think she wants to bury something. Maybe she's getting at that age because she doesn't really bury things in the yard yet. Hey, or try to bury things. Janet, Janet, what are you doing? Missy. She thinks she can bury something. She's crazy. Hey. No, don't do that. Thank God this is an old couch. Hey. It's crazy. Crazy puppy.
Well, of course, we are watching the East Coast as Henri makes its way northward. Don't forget, even when there's sunshine in the southeastern beaches.
Look at her tail. Her tail is starting to fluff out. Get the golden retriever tail. Hey! What you doing? Yeah.
Temperatures once again on the hot side out west.
She's crazy. She has her ball there, her toys, and I don't know what she's trying to do. Look at, she has her ball, her toys. She's collecting her toys on the couch. She's funny. What you doing, Momo?
Continues to press west, which is not the best news for us. Now, the hurricane, which should become a hurricane and move north and then become a tropical storm, this puts us on the windier side.
She likes those pillows.
Tropical storm, so widespread to possibly historic.
It's silly.
Could number 500,000.
Silly girl. She's chilling. She's relaxing. And also, okay, I told you about the hurricane. So I just want to say a few things. Welcome to my new subscribers. I am so happy you're here. I had a great live yesterday. We had a great Domino's mukbang, and it was so much fun. I had a great time. So I'm gonna do more of those lives, which is really cool. I love doing the lives, and I can interact with you all, which is great. And yeah, so tell me, comment below if you liked the live yesterday doing the Domino's mukbang. I could do more lives. Maybe if we don't lose power, I can go live when the hurricane, during the, hurricane time. So we'll see, because then if you can really see the effect, like right, not just on the camera. So I could do a little of both. So yeah, it'd be fun. And definitely I'm just happy you're all here. It's so much fun. And I'm really I'm tired, you can tell. I'm really happy to to have you all in my life and here on my channel. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. I do a lot of different things on this channel. I do mukbangs, I do daily vlogs, I do unboxings, I do everything. So, not everything, but Alright, so we'll see what happens during the day. And then I got her looking at Shelby. He's underneath there. Janet, what are you doing? She's making a mess. She has all part of the stick all over the place.
Realized I was going too fast. We all worried about how long we would have with her. It just made every moment more.
Alright, I took my shower. Feel a lot better. So I'm just sitting here, just kind of get my serums and everything dry. And today I'm going to be glam. I think I might get glam today. Put some makeup on, you know, cover these dark circles that I got. For some reason. Why? But I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to put some eyeshadow. I'm going to put some, just a BB cream on and, you know, just a little something. I don't get total glam all the time, but I like to just put, like, sometimes just a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara on and stuff like that. Something simple. Nothing. I should start doing that more often because I do feel better when I do that. So right now I'm just chilling. I'm watching Breaking Dawn 2. I know I already saw the whole series, but I like to see it. So that's it for now. And then when hubby comes home, we are gonna go shopping for water, canned food, and get ready for this big ass hurricane that we're getting. Can't believe it. And then we gotta get batteries. Make sure that we have all the batteries that we need and everything that we could have, because I don't know if this how long, if we do lose power, I don't know how long we're gonna lose power for, so I don't know. And I still have to edit my Newport video, but I'm all over the place, so we'll stay tuned on what I do next. Alright, I got all my glam up. I got my eyeliner, eyeshadow. I even put a little highlighter right here. Blush. Did my hair pretty cute. So I'm going to be out ready to roll. My husband's not here yet. But out ready to roll to go shopping for this big storm. So I'm going to go get something to eat a little bit. And you'll be going with me to the store. Alright, we're checking out our batteries to see what we're doing. And we're trying to get ready. Sorry about my camera. The focusing is terrible. And we're checking out the battery situation, seeing what batteries we need. And then we're going to go out because we need to get some stuff for the storm. We need to get perishable items so we don't have to cook them, we could just eat them out of the can. So, and we have to go come home and get all of this off of the deck. So the wind don't pick it up and leave it. So we got a lot to do. Come on our journey today, which you are. I know. Look like my hair. I got my makeup done. Did my hair. Oh yeah.
How was our summer?
Ready to go. Get the essentials to this hurricane.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no, we're in a buckle down. We gotta get this hurricane stuff. I have a bunch of candles. I don't have to worry about that. So I'll bring them up and get them all sorted out, and we'll have candles at least. So we're headed out to get prepared. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up my mom's medicine, and while we're there, we're gonna try to get the essentials for this. We're supposed to get high winds, and it's supposed to be just as bad as the 30 years ago when I was 22. I don't remember that though. I don't remember that one. All right. Oh, yep, you're right. It's in here. All right. I'll see you at Walmart. It is so busy. I never saw it busy. People are panicking and going to the stores and everything. And I need to go to pick up my mom's medication, but people are panicking. So crazy. All right, we're going into Walmart, picking up my mom's medication and getting some non-perishable items. So let me get a one-handed, not good. Luigi, you gonna do it?
Yeah.
So we're here at Walmart. Are you excited for this storm, Lucho?
It'll be okay.
All right. We'll see you when we get out. Look at, we're all out of water. We're too late. All this water is gone. What kind of water is that? Spring water? Okay, just hook us up.
How many?
I don't know. Well, we need it for the house. Can't believe that it's out of water already. All these shelves are empty. Look at that, all empty. Almost. Look at this, all empty. People are going crazy with this. It's a serious people. This is all empty. Everybody took all the bread, pretty much. Okay, we're waiting here in line. We have all these stuff. We got a self-checkout. He's talking to his father and sister. So we have a little bit of wait because it's very busy here. I'll see you on the way out. Okay, we're done getting all our stuff and now we're headed out the door. It is crazy. I'm sweating. I'm a hot mess. It was crazy in there. You saw it. Everything was empty. It was nuts. I don't understand. But oh, okay. So yeah, I'm like a hot mess. I'm like sweating from my eyeballs and everything else. So we're headed home and undoing all this stuff. Okay, we're here at the liquor store because we need to get our beer for the big event for the hurricane. So we got to get drunk. No, I'm kidding. just a drink while the wind's blowing and just, yeah, why not? So Lucho's in there. Right, we're home and we're gonna unpack the car now. So let's do this together. Hey, got all these goodies we gotta bring in. I'm bringing this guy. Got all these. Look at this, we gotta clean all this out. Okay, we're back home.
So I guess I can show you guys. Okay, so this I got from Nordstrom and this I got at Saks, and then the Gucci ones as well are from.
Little sorry about the blurriness. Whew. Sorry about that. Ooh, that is heavy. Really, really heavy. Oh my god, so blurry. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put you guys down, and when I'm done, I can reactivate ya. Oh, it's so blurry. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm home. I am relaxing a little bit right now, watching one of my favorite YouTubers, Trisha Paytas. So yeah, I'm just relaxing and chilling out. So, and little girl is she's knocking on a stick, chewing on a stick. Okay, we ordered some Chinese, me, my mom, and Noah, and my husband's gonna get some Peruvian food. So, can't wait till it gets here. So hungry. My belly's rumbling, 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 rumbling.
I say we take the middle seat. You got me again.
This is what I got. She's right behind me.
All right, bye.
She wants her toy that is down here.
Sorry guys, you guys have to.
Down here. So, but she's behind me, taking over my seat as I was sitting here. It's crazy.
Half an hour.
Right, baby girl?
My daughter's.
Little girl.
But we're about to dig into this meal. Hopefully it's good. Let's try it out. The last Hello Fresh meal that we had was honestly the best thing ever. Hopefully this is gonna be good. Test this one.
All right, our food is here. Yay! Our food is here. I can't wait to get it. Right, yummy, yummy, yummy. That's mine. Let's see what other goodies. That is my mom's, which I'll put in a container. Ooh, we got a lot of sweet and sour. Ooh. Ooh, another one. Ooh. Okay. More of this. More of that. Wow, we have a lot of sweet and sours. Like this. Which me and my mom likes. I don't want this. Noah's gonna get his. And then mine, the General Tasso chicken, which I love. Let me put you down for a second. My General Tasso chicken. Ooh. Ooh, General Tasso chicken. And my husband got Peruvian Chinese. Look at that. That's a lot. You gonna eat that, honey?
No.
No.
Give me a spoon, please.
I think you can. I love my Chinese egg rolls. They're really crunchy. Mmm. So good. I had a lot of Chinese. My belly is stuffed. I had 2 of those greasy egg rolls, but they're so good though. And crunchy. I love them crunchy. The only problem is they're so greasy. Next time I'm not going to get an extra egg roll. For some reason I end up getting 2. I ordered 2. And 1 came. It must have came with a meal. So I'm not going to order any egg roll next time. It was too greasy. I mean, it was, I like the crunch and everything, but it was just too greasy. And it was soppy. I was like, ugh. But the crunch was good. But I am so full. Now I'm going to sit and digest my belly. Okay, I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you all for coming with me today on getting ready for the storm. And I am tired. I have to get up early tomorrow to get the dishes done, fold clothes and everything like that. So you'll be going along with my journey tomorrow too. Because I'm still getting, you know, ready, prepared for the storm. And it's supposed to hit tomorrow afternoon. So we'll see if it does. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and my merch will be listed in the description box. And definitely pick up some merch for yourself. And like always, have an awesome day and be kind to others.